Say hi. Look, Ophelia. Who's in there? Are you staying with Nana and Pappy? No, you can't have. You like that paper, don't you? Oh, that's gonna roll away. Look. Oh, wait. All right, everyone. I was supposed to have done a live at 7, but look here, you can't have the scissors. I didn't make it back in time from picking up my granddaughter. She likes the paper. Hi, Melissa. This is my granddaughter. Look. Do you see yourself in the video? Say hi. We just got finished watching Moana. That's her favorite cartoon when she says here. You can't have these scissors. No, you can't have the scissors. I was wanting to show you guys how I make my bows out of the wrapping paper instead of, all right, I'll let you down. There you go. Go over there with Auntie Skylar. Okay.
Don't you get my cat food?
She won't.
Oh, yeah.
She never gets anything when she stays here. All right.
You get something?
My gift box. Anyway, what I wanted to show you guys real quick. It's not going to be a 3-hour long video like my other ones. It's real easy and it saves money. I don't remember how I figured it out or thought to do this, but you know how when you're wrapping gifts and you always have the little pieces left over, you're like, well, what am I going to do with this? And I hate to throw it away. So I always like to repurpose things or figure out something else to use it so I won't waste. And so all I do is I'll cut strips and not all the way to the end. Leave about an inch, see there? An inch at the top of it. I cut them real thin strips, long strips, different sizes. So there'll be different kinds of curls. And it's easy to curl. I'm just doing a quick video, so it's not gonna be neat. See, it's all jagged, but that's because I'm just trying to do a quick live video to show you guys how I do it. So I'm usually neater than this, and if you guys have watched my videos, then you know I'm usually neat about these things. But I just wanted to show this real fast, and then I'm gonna go spend the rest of the night with my granddaughter. I only get to see her about once a month. So when I do get to see her, I like to cherish every minute I get with her. So, get these cut up. And it's real easy. I love curling paper. I don't know why. It's just like relaxing for me to curl paper. It's real easy to do. You can use stapler. Okay, so you need wrapping paper, scissors, either stapler, tape, or even hot glue. I've used all 3. And I'll show you what you need the stapler and tape for. I'm trying to... Can't believe it seems like Christmas is like already here too fast. It's like what? We've got 11 days, you guys. Hi, Penny. Since you're just tuning in, I'm trying to show how I make ribbons or bows for my gifts out of wrapping paper. Because you know, after you wrap the gifts, sometimes there's those little blocks of wrapping paper, and I don't like to waste anything. So I don't remember how I learned the idea or got the idea. I've been doing it for years now. So I cut the paper into strips. You see how that is? But I leave about an inch or 1.5 inches up here, because that's how I'm going to use. You can use glue, staples, or tape to put this together. But the thing is in the curling. Get a hold of this. I use the back of the plastic part of the scissors. I mean, you can use anything. If you pull too hard on it, it'll rip the paper off. So you want to pull hard enough to make the curl, but you don't want to pull too hard. And see, it just curls right up. And where I've got the slices I've cut, some are wider than others and some are skinny. I'm going to have different. See? It curls right up. My granddaughter's running around here. It's real easy to do. I love doing it because I love to curl paper. But like I said, don't pull it too hard. Hi, Tina. I wish I could have got on earlier, but I hadn't been back home long from getting my granddaughter, and so I wasn't ready. And then I don't want to be on too long tonight, especially since having her. So the curl is real easy. Just curl the paper. You see where I've got it cut. You can cut it as the square or whatever, as long as you want, as wide as you want. And I like to make my bows and ribbons as big and spectacular as I can. So, I mean, it's wrapping paper that I'm not going to use for wrapping gifts or anything, and I don't want it to sit all year and in a closet, so why not use it and make pretty ribbon out of it? Are you getting Auntie Skylar's shoes? Ophelia, you want to come over here and say hi? No. I don't get to see my granddaughter but like once a month, so I get to keep her tonight and tomorrow night. Take her home Sunday, so I'm excited for this weekend. Let's see. After I get all these curled, now don't pull too hard, because if you pull, and if you like use a butter knife or something that's got like metal, and you pull too hard, it's gonna rip that right off. See? It ripped it right off. So try to use something plastic. And you don't want to, you want to pull hard enough for the curl, but not hard enough to, okay. So now I've got these curls. See the curls. And I take this and I just fold it up. Now this is where the stapler or the tape or the glue comes in handy. Okay. You can fold it as skinny or as wide as you want. Okay. Now I'll staple this together. Well, I used to staple. Now, since I've got my hot glue gun, I just hot glue it. I'll put a dab of glue there and I'll fold it over to hot glue it together, so I don't have to use the staples. And then I'll put a dab of hot glue on my gift and just stick it on my gift. Let's see. I like to flip it. Usually mine are bigger than this, but this is just a short demonstration. So I usually like to have them, let me show you. I mean, I usually make them bigger than this. You see? Isn't that neat? I just fold it. I make them bigger than this. Just fold it like that. Either you can tape it, staple it, or use hot glue and get it all curls. Stick it on. See, you don't want it hanging down like this. You stick it on there. See, you stick it on there like that, and it's not going to look as pretty. See, you can see the staple and stuff. So what I do after I fold it like this, if I can explain how I do this, I'll fold it again. Like I'll put it on right here. I'm trying to show you guys. It's hard to explain. I put it right here. Put a drop of glue on here or a piece of tape. All right, and I'll stick that there. Stick it there and hold it if I'm using glue. Okay. Now, if you can see this piece right here, I'll put another dab of glue or a piece of tape, and I fold this over because I don't want to see that, and I want these to hang down. So I fold that over again. And I just fluff them out. And see, still, that's not big enough for me. I mean, that's not enough. So I would probably do another one, bigger, and I would do it the opposite way. I dropped it, sorry. I would do another one. Let's see. I've got this one on here, again like that, and fold it over so it hangs that way. I would do another one, and I would fold it the other way. Put it on there, put a piece of glue or dab of glue or tape there, and I would fold it up. So I've got one hanging down and one up. And I just fluff them up and pull the curls out, and that's what I get. So it's a great way to save money, because I think it's ridiculous how much money people spend on bows that you can make yourself at home, or even something neater. And it repurposes. I mean, you use stuff so it doesn't go to waste. And I'm always for that. Repurposing things to not waste. And I don't know anyone who's ever wrapped a gift and not had wrapping paper left over, the little squares, and you're like, what am I going to do with it? It's not big enough to wrap another gift, or I don't want to throw it away because you can use it. So that's what I do. So now you guys know, and hopefully you guys will use the ideal. And if you do, post a picture on my page or in this feed, because I want to see the bows and things you guys can make. All right? So I was just going to do this short video. I'm going to get back to my granddaughter since I've got her all weekend. I might do a short video tomorrow if she's willing, so I can introduce you guys to her. She's sweet and I love her so much. But I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.